Now, the final tab, so let's do the cell tab. The final tab to take a wee look at is the Reports tab. So if I just click onto here, as I've reiterated a few times now, we like to keep things straightforward. You know, if Fisher Price made sound level meters, that they'd work the way ours worked. Start, start, stop, stop, hooray. We like to do the same with the software. So to produce any report within NoiseTools, all we ever need you to do is just click on the one that you're interested in. So let's, we've looked at a couple, let's just have a look at the, we've had a look at the NR curves. Let's have a look at third octaves, just for the fun of it. So click on the one you're interested in, press next once, pop your company logo there, or your council logo, or your picture of yourself. Press next once, press next twice, and that's it for every single report within NoiseTools. Go to the Reports tab, select the one you're interested in, press next once, press next twice, and there's your report for you. So now we've got some reports produced. What can we do? Well, you can save your reports in any of those formats. If you do wish to edit out our logo from your reports, which try not to be too offended by, but you know, it's a nice logo, people know us. I would suggest leaving our logo on your reports. It gives a little bit more authority to the report. It's entirely up to you, it's your life, do as you wish. But most people save it as a PDF. Which you can save and send to anybody you wish and produce reports, and it's all lovely. But maybe you've got a few measurements you wish to share with somebody. Maybe you've got 5 dose badges and you want to share data from each of those dose badges with a site manager or an area manager, your direct boss or something like that. You don't want to be the person that sends 5 PDFs in one email, man. That's not cool. So let's try and put something together that looks nice and professional, and it also means there's only one attachment that somebody has to click on. So I'm going to click this little icon here at the top that says Add to Combined Report. So the third octave report I produced has now been pulled into this summary. And you can do the, you can add to the reports repeatedly from the same measurements. You can generate a different measurement from the same report. So I produced the third octave report. But if I go to the summary report, back to the original, press Quick Report, click that icon again, it's now pulled my summary into a combined report. Maybe I wish I'd done the summary first. So if I highlight the summary, I can move things around and present it how I wish. However, you can also pull reports from different measurements. Now I've got the one we've been looking at today is the one that we've downloaded here, but I have other measurements open, including one that I've marked up as audio example and wish that I'd played to you all. So I'm now just going to do another quick report. Click highlight, and it's now pulled a summary from a different report. So if you are using lots of dose badges and you want to present data in one way, in one report, pardon me, for each of the badges, this would be how you did it instead of generating PDF after PDF after PDF. You may also wish to add a cover page to look super professional. Always to the second screen, I don't know why it does that. So you would write a description here. I've typed noise of work measurements, gobbledygook. Dave, that's not his real surname. What is his real surname? Dave Cornwell. There you go. A description of why you were carrying out the measurement, a bit of header information if you wish, a bit of footer information. Pick a different layout for the illustrations. Add some pictures if you wish. I always think it's a good idea. Company logo, where it says your logo here. Maybe a picture of the instrument that you've used, or a picture of the person wearing the dose badge. Or if you have the meter on a tripod in an environment, side of a construction site or something like that, it can be nice to just include that, a little bit of context for people. And then just click OK and say, listen here, you software, create me a report. And voila, again to the second screen. And here's my report. So all it's done is just gathered those documents in whatever order, because I can move them up and down with those blue arrows, but it's got a nice little cover page on there where you can add some notes. So I've just put new machine in production area. You could have put complaint from neighbours, new install of machinery, had some complaints from employees about certain frequencies or some certain loudness of the new machine. So we've carried out a measurement and here's a lovely report. All it's done is just put different reports all those different reports into one document.